Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I want to show you my beautiful tree, mango tree. I want to tell you that in California even mango grows. We are in the valley, it's pretty hot, but I want to show you and I would love to share with you the way they grow. Those are the mangoes that you see here. Last year it didn't give it to me, but a year before they gave me 4, and I had video that I was showing you my paradise garden. So those are the mangoes. You'll see, like you can show how big it's growing. Knock on wood, I don't want to put jinx, but so I want to say here there is plenty. It's a small tree and this is how it grows. I want to tell you that the mangoes, if you want to plant in your garden, the mangoes, they don't need completely full sun all day. So you have to have morning sun, and afternoon it needs definitely good shade. So this mango, I had another video that I was showing how to transplant them. When you plant a mango from the beginning, it grows very beautiful, you're so happy, and then it dies. If you go on my video, you'll see what I do when when I plant and then I transplant them and it starts to grow, and then how do I put in the dirt so you don't disturb the mangoes, the plants from the pot. You'll go check on my video, you will see how it is. If you click on the videos, you'll see 200 videos, 240 videos that I'm putting very good fertilizer. Even I'm making good fertilizer, homemade, and that's how the fruits, all the plants, they grow and they give fruits. So I want you to check it and to see it, and of course there was plenty on it, and because we have a hot weather, and of course the tree has so much fruit, it cannot carry all of them. It's a small tree, it's only maybe 7 feet, 8 feet it is. When the mango starts to grow, we have to put something under, like stick, wood, or tie them up so they won't break the branches. It will be, of course, better for me to take some out, but I'm gonna leave it naturally to grow, and if it's gonna fall any, it's okay, because still it's a baby tree, and this is how much mango it's giving to me. So like I said, make sure that they have afternoon shade, and you have to water them, especially summertime at the hot weather day, because now that the fruits are coming, you have to give everyday water, because the fruits needs water to grow. But when it's flowering beginning, do not water too much. You can give it maybe two times or 3 times a week. It depends how hot it is, and make sure that you keep mulch under the tree. Like you see over here, I put some haze, and the haze, you can see here little mango fell already. Keep the leaves when it falls, let it cover, and when you water it, it stays nice and moist. Like you can see here, this is just a regular dirt, and it keeps it soft. When you put the mulch like this way, what do you call this, hay that we buy it for the chicken to sit on it, what do we do is, the old ones that we change sometimes to keep it clean, the chickens, we put it on the ground and it will cover it. At the same time, it disintegrates it, become like a fertilizer. So in any kind of tree leaves you have it, instead to throw them in a trash, or fruits, vegetables, peels, whatever, just dig with the shovel and put it under. Doesn't matter, here, there, wherever, do not waste them, because they will do very nice mulch, and that's how your trees will produce you very, very good flower, mango, avocado, whatever you want. We are in valley, like I said, in California. It's very, very hot. Like the last 2 days, it was 100, 103, 10, whatever, and they need, this is not tropical weather here, but this is the way it's giving fruits. So now you know how you can grow them. Sometimes my customer says, I did it, but it's not growing, it's dying. But this is the way you have to take care of it. Summertime, when the fruits comes, give every day. They need a lot of water. So I wanted to share with you And if anybody likes to plant in their garden, this is the way you do: morning sun, afternoon shades. Well, thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. And there is nothing impossible. Just do it. Become inspired and plant, plant, and plant. Thank you very much again. See you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.